Hi everyone, welcome to R&R Raghavendra channel. One of our subscriber has asked us to solve the problems on algebraic expressions and identities. But before moving on to problems, I would like to explain about algebraic expressions, terms, factors, coefficient, like and unlike terms, and monomials, binomials and polynomials. Let's know what is algebraic expressions. The expressions formed by constant and variable, that it may be addition, subtraction or multiplication or division. Here variables, you know that variables are A to Z alphabet. Any alphabet is called as variables, and constants are nothing but the numbers. If we add, subtract or multiply or division by combining them, we will get an expression that is called as algebraic expressions. Here you can see some examples that are x plus 3, 2y minus 5, 3x square, 4x plus 4xy plus 7, etc. These are known as algebraic expression, as these are formed by formed by variables and constants. These are known as algebraic expressions. Let's know what are terms, factors, coefficients. If we take an example, that is 2y minus 5, here you can see that here the 2y and 5, these two are terms. We form an expression by adding the terms, that is here 2y and 5 are known as terms. And terms can also be the product of factors. Here the factor means factors are 2 and y. You can see that in this 2y, here 2 and y is the separate factor. You can call it as this 2y, the product of 2y will be known as term, and if we separate these two, these are called as factors. Here 5 is a single factor. Here the factor may be number or term, and if we combine them, we will get an term. By adding these terms, we can get expressions. Next, coefficient. Coefficient means the numerical factor of a number. Numerical factor of a term. You can see that here 2y. This 2 is known as the coefficient of y, as 2 is a numerical factor. Here 4xy. This 4 is coefficient of xy. Next is monomials, binomials and polynomials. Monomials means that a expression which contains only one term is monomial. For example, 4x square, 3xy, minus 7z, minus 9, etc. You can see that there is only one term. This term is known as monomial. In the same way, if we combine two terms, we will get binomials. That is, binomial contains two terms, that is x plus 3. You can see that here x is one term and 3 is one term. If we combine them, we will get a binomial. In the same way, 4xy plus 7, this is a binomial. Here the terms are separated by plus signs, so therefore it is a binomial. Binomial means it contains two terms. And polynomial. Polynomial is a expression in which it contains one or more terms with non-zero coefficient. It means the expression should not have a zero coefficient. You know that 0 into anything is 0. Therefore, it doesn't form an expression. Therefore, it is given as polynomial contains one or more terms with non-zero coefficient. Here, monomial is also an polynomial. Binomial is also an polynomial. It may be a plus b plus c plus d. Here you can see that each variable is having an coefficient 1. Therefore, it forms an polynomial. Here 3xy. This is also, we can call it as monomial or polynomial. Okay. then 2x plus 3y minus 4z and 7xy minus 8. These are known as polynomials. Okay. Next is like and unlike terms. Let's see some examples, that are 7x, 14x, minus 3x, 5x square, here minus 7xy, minus 5x, 9xy, minus 9x square. Here you can differentiate like and unlike terms. You can see that 7x, 14x, minus 3x, minus 5x are like terms because these are containing x variable. You can see that the variable is same, therefore we call it as like terms. And 5x square minus 9x square is also like term because both the numbers are containing x square. You can see that here the variable is x square, and here minus 7xy, 9xy is also like term because both are having the same variables. You can compare 7xy minus 7xy. These are unlike terms because one term is x and another one is xy. Therefore, like terms are those terms which contains the same variable as a term, and unlike terms means if the terms are having different variables, then we call them it as unlike terms. I hope you have understood the concept. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.